What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to actually check the status of your transaction and your money transfer, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. So of course we are on Western Union, and again, as I mentioned in the previous videos, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, let's say you have sent money through Western Union and you are thinking what is happening with that transfer, how to track it and how to check it. Well, quite an easy option. So there are a couple of transfer statuses you need to understand. They are transfer complete, delayed transfer, checking your transfer status, notifications, and direct to bank transfers. So transfer complete means that the transfer is actually completed. So if you want to check your transfer status, as the title of this video suggests, you can check the status of your transfer at any time, both on their browser web page or on your mobile app. So actually what you need to do is, when you're both on the app or the website, you just go to track transfer and enter the MTCN number of the transfer. If you're logged in, you can also check the status on the history page, and if you've sent money in person, you can use the track transfer service with your MTCN. So over here we are having track a transfer, so you just easily enter the MTCN, just use I'm a sender or I'm a receiver, enter the MTCN, and you can actually check the status of your transfer. So guys, overall that would be the it of the process on how to actually get a track on your transfer. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.